Hello, whale.
Hello. It looks just like ours. Yeah. It looks so cool.
These are good whales.
Wow. Subscribe to my Patreon and OnlyFans if you get a chance and if you would like to. Yep.
Our stuff, that's their stuff. This is 3 Lakes Road vibes.
Yep. Oh, but that was depressing though, because we can't even see the lake.
Full and be damned road. Inspired church. Ice speed is close.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
There's a whale. There's what looks like an abandoned house.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Pioneer Parkway.
cemetery.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Do I turn right at the next stop sign, baby? Okay.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Morris Street.
Okay.
Is she barefoot? Is this a barefoot chick? No.
Wow.
So we just go straight?
Yeah.
This is cute. It's very cute.
It smells. It smells right here. It smells. It smells like poo. Oh.
It's I think it's from poo-based fertilizer.
Okay, now it's better.
Fava beans? Those are fava beans? What?
Huh.
See, this is a tsunami zone because the bay is right there. And like this is all flat. So this one's just fucking wasted.
Sucks. I like when it's flat too, because it's a vibe.
As long as there's not too much of a boom. Look how tall this guy is.
Oh, what?
He's tall.
Whoa.
Oh well.
Yep.
Now we gotta get gas before we leave.
Yep.
Especially since it's cheaper.
Ooh, wait, look. They don't leave any grass dirt here.
No, they make hay out of it.
Yep.
To feed animals.
Wow. The blue-eyed driver is the best driver.
onto Best Road.
Oh, Best Road. Well, do you think there's any out here?
Yeah, it was like when we were coming in here.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think we went past it yet.
No.
It's the best road! Look at this little house. Or garage. Garage.
Yep.
And garage. More deer.
Oh, wow. A willow bush? I've never seen that in my life. Can you ask him where a gas station near me is? Yes.
I know there was a gas station that was close to this. Leslie Lane.
In 600 feet, continue straight to stay on Best Road. Continue straight to stay on Best Road. Continue on Best Road for 1 mile. onto Brown Slough Road, Fur Island Road.